Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn some Play-Doh numbers. We got 10 different colors of Play-Doh here. We got blue, white, green, pink, purple, light blue, yellow, red, orange and brown. Let's start with blue. And then we cut. And here we're going to make a beak of number 1, and we put one small worm underneath. White. Let's make number 2. 2. Green. To make number 3. Pink. Long worm into 2 pieces, and one piece stands up tall and the second piece goes around. It's number 4. Purple. Five. Light blue. Six. Red. Seven. Orange. Eight. Can you see? 8 looks like 2 circles together. Brown. One long worm, and then we're going to make little semicircle. 9. yellow, number 1, zero, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So friends, we have already learned 1 to 10 and now we are going to explore 11 to 20 numbers. For this we have to make 2 balls of each color. Let's start. We have to roll 2 ones and cut them and put them underneath and make this pointy bit. This is 11. Let's do with the blue one this time. You will notice we are going to make lots of number 1s in this line. So make the pointy bit and put this underneath and make number 2. We have 11 and 12. Let's do 13 this time. Remember, we make 2 balls again. And we're going to put, it's a little bit long, chop more, and we're going to put it here. And then pointy, number 1, and let's make 3. This is 13. 14. We're going to make 14 with the green Play-Doh. 2 balls. Make the pointy bit, put it underneath, and number 4. So we got 14, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's do 15. And make the pointy bit and put it down. Now we make 15. To make 15 we need a little bit longer. This is a little bit tricky. It looks like letter S, but we have to make it number 5. It's 15. So we got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we are going to make 16 with blue Play-Doh. Put it down, make a pointy bit, and put it underneath. And to make 6, we roll it around. This is a number 16. 17. 18. Pointy bit underneath, and 17. We got 16, 17. Let's do 18. Take the brown Play-Doh, pointy bit underneath. To make number 8, we have to make a long worm. We're going to make 19 this time. Who can tell? Yes, it's pointy bit underneath. And make a nice semicircle. 19. Let's make 20. We use one worm and make 2, and we make a little circle, and this is a 0. So we got 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Great job, friends. It was fun. For more learning, let's see the next video. Bye.